Hey, good morning. How you doing, Bessie? I'm good.
Forget about me today?
Nah, because it wasn't on the schedule. I didn't get a notification or as a reminder, so it made me late.
Okay.
That's why I was like, let me go ahead and get her the link. I'll be forgetting sometimes, but
Thank you,
no problem, no problem. So I got the parts. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out. It won't take too long.
Okay, let me see what. Go ahead,
Okay.
Something about the oil. Oh, I'll let you read it when you get to see.
Okay.
It say brake pads and something about a filter. Air filter. I don't know what that means.
Okay, yeah. So the air filter. Okay.
What that mean?
Just need an air filter.
That's all.
Yep. I would have grabbed one for you had I known it. Alright, quick break job. Alright, we got our parts. Brake pads, rotors. 19. Right. See what we got here. Got a 17 mil. Get the caliper off. Caliper off, brake pads off, they low, hardware off, putting the new hardware on there. Alright, we got a 19 mil. We're gonna use the impact, get this sucker off. Extension. Caliper off. Need a lower ball joint, lower control arm. Need that next. And some sway bar links. Alright, that rotor is off. Get our new one, spray it down. Get some brake cleaner. Get that film off. Easy peasy. Brand new hardware. Got the little squealers. Alright, new hardware on. Now, guide pins need to be lubricated. These are dry. So, I'm going to lubricate those. I'm going to add these squealers on the back, on the pads. Like that. grease on the back of the pads, let that dry up. And you can see how thick these are in comparison.
A few moments later.
So I had to run and get some, get a couple things that I needed. Went ahead and got a air filter for, throw that in there. Alright, and then brake lubricant on guide pins. Therefore, have a smooth stop. Alright, should be ready. All dried up. Alright, we in there. Push this piston back. Pad. All right. Alright, that's it for that side. Alright, passenger side. Lower control arm. That ball joint is busted as well. These tie rods gonna need to be replaced too, cause they're getting there. Starting to crack rubber. So it's the same procedure. I'm gonna go ahead and fly through this. Alright, we in there. Alright, let's change out this filter. Easy task. Take these clips out. Pull this up. Air filter wasn't too bad. They need to change out that cabin air filter as well. Alright, just like that. We in there. Alright, and that fluid level did reach almost at the max. I'm gonna need some rear pads. Got 175,000 miles. 750. Yeah, you know the AutoZone right down the street, so you need lower control arms. Your lower control arms are bad.
What's that?
It's the control arms that connect to your wheels. They bad. So yeah, both sides you're gonna need those.
There's no urgency, right?
Nah.
So you owe you $255, is that correct?
Yes. Alrighty.
Thanks, sir. Appreciate
You're
you.
very welcome again.
Okay. Take care now.
You do the same.
Happy holidays.
You too.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion.